Welcome to Orion Cost Segregation Solutions, where our animated tutorial series explores the benefits of cost segregation studies for beginners and industry leaders. Cost segregation studies are a valuable tool for property owners to maximize tax savings and cash flow. These studies involve identifying and reclassifying assets within a property to optimize depreciation deductions. Let's dive deeper into why cost segregation studies matter. Benefit 1. Accelerated depreciation. By reclassifying assets into shorter recovery periods, cost segregation studies allow you to accelerate depreciation deductions. This means you can deduct a larger portion of the property's value earlier, leading to significant tax savings and improved cash flow. Benefit 2. Increased tax savings. Cost segregation studies identify components of the property that qualify for shorter recovery periods, such as personal property and land improvements. By properly classifying and depreciating these assets, you can maximize tax benefits and reduce overall tax liabilities. Benefit 3. Retroactive adjustments. In some cases, a cost segregation study can be conducted retroactively. This means you can amend prior tax returns to claim missed depreciation deductions. It's like finding hidden treasure, resulting in potential tax refunds and enhanced cash flow. So, how do cost segregation studies work? Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Asset identification. The cost segregation study identifies various components of the property, such as building structures, electrical systems, HVAC, flooring, and even furnishings. These components are analyzed to determine their proper classification and recovery periods. Step 2. Reclassification and depreciation calculation. Once the assets are identified, they are reclassified into different property classes based on their recovery periods under current tax code. Once the assets are identified, they are reclassified into different property classes based on their recovery periods under the tax code. The study then calculates depreciation deductions for each component using the appropriate recovery period. Step 3. Tax reporting and benefits. The results of the cost segregation study are reported on the appropriate tax forms. These forms provide a clear record of the reclassified assets, their depreciation categories, and associated deductions. By following the guidelines and utilizing the tax benefits, you can optimize your tax strategy and maximize savings. Whether you're a property owner or a seasoned industry professional, leveraging cost segregation studies can help you unlock significant tax advantages and improve your financial position. Congratulations! You now have a better understanding of the benefits and process of cost segregation studies. Stay tuned for more videos in our animated tutorial series, where we'll delve deeper into specific aspects of cost segregation studies. Thank you for watching, and be sure to visit our website at www.orioncostseg.com.